Thank you all for coming out here today. One of the biggest and most important issues that we have to deal with, both personally and as a society, is healthcare. It would be hard to come up with something that's more universal and yet deeply affects us all in our everyday life. That's why I was excited, and that's why we were excited to put this app together, because we think it can alleviate some of the burden of managing healthcare in our day-to-day lives. Now, before you ask, no, we don't have a replacement for Obamacare, but that is one of the pie in the sky cards on our sprint planning chart, so maybe someday. No, we have Raspberry Medbot. Raspberry Medbot is a product that includes a Raspberry Pi mini computer loaded with voice software, and this computer is able to speak to a patient, loved one, any homebound person to remind them and ensure that they're taking care of their medical needs. It can ask a customizable question: are you taking your medicine? Have you checked your blood sugar, etc.? And they can respond simply. Their response is then transmitted to our custom web app, where caretakers can view this information, desktop, smartphone, even over text, and hopefully make the process of caring for loved ones in their lives a little bit easier. I'm going to throw it over to Robert, who came up with this the idea for our product.
Morning, Joe. Thank you, Joe, and good morning, everybody. The real problem is that we want seniors to stay home and be independent as long as they possibly can. To save time from the healthcare system, from long-term care, saves families on average between $2,000 and $10,000 per month. So to keep them in their homes, even for a few extra months, and allow them to live more independently is an awesome thing for them. So we're marrying IoT technology with a web app to help to help patients stay in their homes and their caregivers take care of their things. As seniors age, it's harder. You have memory issues, you have problems with whether or not you're taking your pills. The great thing about our technology is you ask somebody, and it's just as simple as answering a question. You don't even have to know how to use a cell phone. You don't have to make sure that you're calling your mom or dad every day or your grandparents every day. But the Medbot really takes care of keeping things, and the technology takes care of keeping seniors in their home longer. And now Shrey's going to talk more about the web app and the technology behind that.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to walk you through a simple setup in our web application. We're going to go ahead and add a new patient. I'm going to go ahead and go to patients and go ahead and add create new. For this screen, all you need is a first name, last name, and a birthday. We're going to go ahead and add grandpa onto this one. We're going to go ahead and add a couple of activities for. We'll go ahead and add cholesterol medicine. Go ahead and hit create. I'm going to add one more. I'm going to go ahead and add physical therapy. Since we're having technical issues, Joe's going to be talking part of the Medbot.
At this point, the Raspberry Medbot asks a simple question: have you taken your medicine?
Let's say I said yes. We get a green indicator stating that they have taken their medicine. We're going to run it one more time.
So it asks, have you done your physical therapy for tip?
No. It goes ahead and highlights it red, saying that they have not taken. At that point, we're working on a technology that automatically sends them a text message. We're also working on a technology where you do not have to manually add the activities. We're working on a project where it automatically reoccurs every day at a certain given time. The no answer is also highlighted when they have not answered to the question. Go ahead, Joe.
And Raspberry Medbot is that simple. Your seniors and loved ones can answer as simply as answering a question from their own grandchild, and caretakers can view the responses to these on desktop, smartphone, text message, however they want to do it. Our hope for this product is that it simplifies and eases some of the day-to-day issues of caring for your loved ones, so that the time that you spend with them can be focused on quality time. We hope you all enjoyed our presentation. Thanks very much, and we look forward to speaking with you after.